how to copy independent databases in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy independent databases in Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Notion homepage and log into your account. If you're new to Notion, just click on the Login button and choose Continue with Google for a quick sign-in. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find the database you want to copy. Hover your mouse over the database title and locate the 6 dots on the left side. Click on those 6 dots once and now press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now, go to the page where you want the copied database to be placed. Open the page, click on any text area, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. You'll see the database appear right away along with a small notification. Just click Dismiss to clear that out. At this point, your new database is on the page, and here's the best part, it's completely independent from the original. That means you can edit it however you want, and nothing will change in the original one. To confirm that, go back to the original page. You'll notice that everything there remains untouched. And that's it. This method is perfect when you want to reuse the structure of a database but keep its content separate. That's all for the video.